London. Talha.
Salam, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam wa
Sheikh, what it is, I've got a medical illness at the moment. So it's the doctors advised me not to fast. It's related to having low blood sugar levels. I wanted to ask you, when I'm eating, so when I feel like my blood sugar's low, I just eat. But when, but can I still eat and drink at times when it's not low, but just to keep hydrated, or is it only eating when there's a necessity? And may Allah guide you to doing good and have mercy upon you, your family, and your parents.
I mean, a person who is sick and unable to fast, he has the concession, the permission not to fast. Similarly, a person who's traveling, he has the concession to skip fasting that day. And when we say to skip, meaning that he's entitled to eat, to drink, to be intimate with his spouse, whether he needs it or not. It's not an issue of necessity, similarly to someone who's stranded in the desert and about to die of starvation, and then he finds a dead corpse of a donkey. And he takes few morsels of it just to sustain his livelihood, to stay alive. This is for necessity. He's not allowed to feast on it and prepare the ribs and marinate it and barbecue it and enjoy the food. No, he has to only eat what sustains his life. A person who's diabetic, or the doctor said your sugar level is so low, it's 70 or below, you're gonna die. So you have to eat. He eats because that day is skipped. It's not valid. He has to make it up. But we don't say eat a banana and that's it and refrain till sunset. No, you can eat and have lunch and drink water and enjoy your day because you broke it for a legitimate reason and it's not binding for you to continue to fast because the day is skipped, and Allah knows best.